So let's discuss this here mold. um, I'm an amateur. I just used ideas that I thought I could make work. I officially have very large bubble areas that didn't come out right. They're going to need fixed before I make the epoxy rubberized mold that can make multiples of this. Also, this white board I'll never use again because the paper sticks to the plaster. And I have to sand it all off before I can fix things. Also, the bulge on that, I'm going to have to take care of, flatten that out, probably make this, it's probably about 1.5 inches, that's what I want, but I'm going to make that nicer. All in all, I accomplished the shape, but I did not create a very clean one, or that didn't have flaws. So, gonna take some work. Gonna have to get some more plaster or something that can finish off the bubble areas and then sand down. I'll get it all worked out, but there it is, my first mold. It weighs 25 pounds. Oh, jeez. Okay. As far as results go, lackluster. But hopefully you learn from my mistakes. That's what we want in the long run, to learn. Okay, so we'll see what I can do with it. Have fun. Goodbye.